Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix the World app failed to fetch data. First, clear the app cache. On Android, open Settings, then go to Apps. Find the World app in the list and tap it. Select Storage, then tap Clear Cache. This removes temporary files that might be causing the error. On iPhone, the cache clears automatically when you reinstall, so you can skip this step for now. Next, check for updates. Open the Google Play Store or App Store and search for the World app. If you see an update button, tap it. Once updated, reopen the app and see if the problem is gone. If clearing the cache and updating the app did not work, the last step is to reinstall. First, uninstall the World app. On Android, press and hold the app icon. Then tap Uninstall. On iPhone, press and hold the icon until it shakes, then tap Remove app. After uninstalling, go back to the Play Store or App Store, search for the World app, and install it again. Reinstalling gives you a clean version of the app and removes any corrupted files. In most cases, one of these steps will solve the issue. Thanks for watching.